Yo, 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 yo. What's happening, peoples? Look at Goldie. Just ranging. Ranging. What's good, though? What's good? Let's do this right here. How's everyone doing today? I've taken no trades today. Gold looks like it wants to continue down, though. It's looking good for some more sells. Alright, so daily we closed. I actually like this continuation pattern. Ash. Right, so I mean, this daily candle, if we respect yesterday's low, which it looks like we're doing, so we've had a drive down, but we're not really pushing. If we can push back up and break yesterday's high, I think we continue up. Still very bullish on gold. Yeah, it hasn't been much of a push down. I don't think it continues down much more. Unless it breaks yesterday's low, then I think we get more of a pullback. Where's my music? But for now, I mean, if we stay in this range, if we still respect 45.91, I think we push back up. All right, give me 1 second. Let me sort this music out. Oh, we're pushing. I'm trying to get this chat up. I hear the chat going off. Yeehaw, hello. Alright, bear with me. Let's find something to play. But gold has been messing about, man. What a terrible session London was. Good sells were from right here. Respected Asian highs again, tapped it, pushed back down. Closed week bullish. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start looking at some entries here. There's definitely some nice moves right here. Perfect. Alright, here we go. Some music. Alright, do we have any news today? No news today? Perfect. Yeah, we're good. Clean, relaxed Friday. Love it. Haroon, what's up, man? That's where the echo's coming from, right here. Shit. Cool. So yeah, let's see if gold holds at this support here. I'm looking for the buys back up. I'm definitely looking for the buys back up. That's my next play. Let's see GJ. Cheat day today, had a shawarma. Now ready for gold NY. I hope gold gives us something. Pound yen still pulling back. Broke the daily lows. What's all this? Get rid of this. I want to see if we get a retest. If we can close above here, you know, retest this daily. Martin, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone's had a good trading week. I hope everyone's had a good trading week. I'm pissed I missed yesterday, man. I saw a nice move yesterday. I didn't have nothing set up. I think I got a virus. I think that's why my PC wouldn't log in. Had to do a hard reset. Everything blank. Crazy. Wasn't bad, it was reasonable. Nice, nice. That's good. That's good. Alright, so where's yesterday's low? That's quite low. 45.81. Oh, we're driving. Right, so this is yesterday's low. If we break, I think we, you know, we get more of a sell-off here. So right down here, if we break these lows, we do have someone in the Discord that's in these lovely cells. Afternoon, Echo. Where's the TP? Look, this is J Mikey's move. This is a real nice move right here. Real nice move. Love it. Here's the TP. 45.65. It's looking good, looking good. When I say I barely got to look at the charts, what happened for unemployment claims during... Okay, it was bearish. Oh, this was quite a drop. Right here. 240 pips. Oh, and Empire State Manufacturing Index. Oh, quite a lot of news. Quite a bit of news yesterday. Okay, these NAS levels are still holding. What happened yesterday? No stream? Man, I woke up, got up in the morning, tried to put in my PIN into my Windows, and it just didn't log in. It was saying you need to be on the internet. cool. Reset my internet. Still wouldn't let me log in, but I knew I had internet. Everything was working. Phones, laptop, everything was working. Then I started troubleshooting. It was long. I was literally working on my PC for about all the way up into the stream, putting in codes, commands, setting up a new admin account. Like, it was very long, and nothing was working. So I think what I ended up doing is just backing up all my stuff, which took like an hour and a half, 2 hours, wiping the whole machine and then putting everything back on. But I had to reinstall all my apps, everything. So I'm still not back to where I was yesterday, but it is what it is. At least it's still working. I'm happy for that. So we have quite a few levels below here in gold. I'm just marking some support levels below, like quite strong levels where gold is tapped. Right, so most taps. See what happens, see if gold can break through, or we bounce back up from one of those. But let's see what happens in the next 8 minutes. If we break yesterday's low, I just want to top wick and then maybe get in when the next candle breaks this low. Look, 4 hour, right into this 4 hour support. Oof, 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 oof. Boom, boom. Alright, what else we got going on? NAS looks good. NAS structure. NAS structure's looking very nice. Okay, NAS got a nice bearish structure right here. Beautiful. Broken this low right here. See how we close, but it does look like we might have a bit of a supply zone, especially if we break this low as well. That'd be nice. If we close below, beautiful, beautiful. Let's catch some trades today. Love a nice trade. Yeah, me too, me too, me too. Well, I can catch him. I haven't been focusing on NAS as much as I should have, to be fair. You know what's so long about having to reinstall apps is all your settings, all my chart settings, they're all gone. It's crazy. Not for everything. Yeah, let's go for lime green. How long did it take you? What, to fix my PC? Man, it took me till about I want to say maybe about 4 o'clock. It was about 4 o'clock. About 4 o'clock to get it started again. It took a couple hours just to back up all my files and stuff. And then still after that, that was just to get it up and running. And then to put everything back on slowly. Yeah, it took like all evening. I was just reinstalling things. I still haven't really reinstalled everything. Bear with me. Give me 1 sec. No trades yet. No trades yet. Waiting for the next statement to close. Alright, we're good. Oh, I'm just thinking about getting in at the break of this low because I wanted to drive down, but looking at it, it's actually pulled back above this support here. So yeah, so no trade here for me. Look, did it even break? Did it break that daily low? It didn't. It didn't. Ooh. So it closed out of the range, but it hasn't broken below this support here. But like I said, there's a lot of levels below. There's a lot. It wicked it. Yeah. I'm kind of leaning more towards some buys. If we can still hold, if we can hold here, then maybe. Because it's a 30-minute support. Look, it's a 4-hour support as well. But we have a 4-hour support below. So even if it does drive down, for me to really, for the sell to continue for the rest of the day, I would expect gold to push below 45.77. But look where gold has closed. I like the buyers up, you know, I ain't gonna lie. I'm still quite bullish on gold. Still quite bullish on gold. Let's see. If gold pushes up here and pushes back above Asian highs, Asian lows, then I think gold pushes up. So yeah, look. Back above 41.91. Yeah. I like it, I like it, I like it. Let's see, gold is being a bit tricky right now. A bit tricky. Where is that? Boom. There we go. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. But a nice support off here. And I think buys back to the top of the range are valid. I do. Just gotta wait for them confirmations. I'll wait for some confirmation, see what these candles are saying. It's a nice push up, man. Nice push up. Let's see what the 15 does. Maybe get a 15-minute engulfing. 15-minute engulfing. And then the next 15 push right up. Continue to the top of the range. I like it, I like it, I like it. It's coming to a fib level 50. What for sells? What time frame you got your fib on? What time frame is your fib? Damn, gold is pushing. 5 minute. Jeez. Got 5-minute fibs. Nice. I don't think I've ever put a fib on a 5-minute. I should have known. I should have known that was going to be the answer. J Mikey says reversal coming. You love it. Like 5 minutes definitely good for some like sniper entries. 100% believe that. Especially gold now. Gold 5-minute candles are like gold 30-minute candles back in the day. You know what I mean? 5 minutes are the new 30 for gold. Look at that push up. Damn. Alright, damn, look, 15-minute complete engulfing. What a move. We're right back up in the Asian range. How far is this going? What's the TP? Benny, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? This is why I put so many levels on the chart, because I think if gold was going to drive down, it's going to react to one of these supports. It's going to react to one of these. I hate missing these. You know what? Me too, because literally I was thinking it's going to push up. That's what I said. It's going to push from one of these, but I don't have an entry for it. So I'm going to have to really like review how I can jump in, where I can jump in. Because I'm looking at the 5-minute. Where do I get in as the candle flips bullish and starts pushing up? Do I wait for a break of the high? Because those are my typical entries. Do you know what I mean? Maybe here, but here's like not too late, but we've closed back in the range on the 5-minute. It's tough. I'm gonna have to start taking like retests, just wick entries. That's what it's looking like. Break and retest. Break and retest. But that's if gold is going to continue down. I think gold is going to push up. What's it? Where's the retest? Where's the break and retest here? Because a break and retest is if like we break, retest, and then come down. But how would I get in the push up? Unless there's a different type of break and retest. It's definitely gonna have to be some wick entry type stuff. Wick entries. Which works as well, If it's a break and retest, this could come back down. Which is happening. Wow. For buy 600 level and then retest. Let's see what this 5-minute does. 97 for retest. Buy. It does not have to be a big candle retest. Okay. Boom. It does look like a break and retest for sells. We break the support, retest it, and look, we close right on it, pushing down. But I'm still still leaning a bit more towards the buy since we retested this 4-hour support, and we're pushing up from a 30-minute level as well. Yeah, you're thinking sells now. I think gold's gonna play this range right here. Because then we got these 2 levels. So if gold holds above, if gold breaks this one, there's still a 4-hour level right below. Right below. So I think one of these holds. But I would need both of them to break for like more of a continue down. More of a sell. That's just me though. That's just me. Because 4-hour levels, they hold, man. They hold. One of these might hold. Sorry. Boom. 5-minute continuation. It does look like a 5-minute continuation. You have a choice of using a 1-hour or 30 minutes candles for your entry on the lower time frame. I don't really use the 1 hour that much, but it would be, yeah, 30 minutes, 30 minute or 15, sometimes the 5. The 5 if I'm trading supply and demand on NAS. Look at that. Oh, it tested this level right here. Oh, look at that. Hindsight is a B, isn't it? This was the nice, I guess this was the better supply zone up here. Nice little wick retest, slap down. You know, I'm gonna leave that there. This is gonna be something I'll slap in the journal. Alright, let's keep an eye on Goldie. Alright, I was thinking if the 15 gave us an engulfing, that I could get some buys up. Still like that idea. Still like that idea. I do. And then we've got the new 4-hour candle about to open, so 4-hour potentially make a bottom wick. I don't know if it comes down and retest this support, but this 4 hours broken the highs and lows. It's not really clear on the direction right now, gold. Ooh, 15, nice 15 engulfing. Ooh, how big is the stop loss? That's gonna be like 100 pips. 130. Oh, you think it might retest? Nice psychological level. Tap 46. Oof, blasted through. Blasted through. Blasted through. I think the 15 opens up and carries on. I do. We're gonna get a bullish 4-hour. Ooh, the 4-hour closes bullish. Then we actually have a support right here on the 4-hour. Right here. shit. 15 is gonna push up, I think. Break the previous high, keep going. Not sure it broke, just a wick. Benny says I'm taking a break. I'm looking at it, you know. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 is used for scalp trading, while the 1 hour, 4 hour and daily for swing trading. I think if this 15 breaks this high, it's gonna pop. Ooh, I'm tempted. I'm just thinking stop loss, because I think the 15 is gonna come down and maybe at least wick down into this support. I'm not feeling the bottom wick here. I think we get a bit of a pullback. There we go. There we go. I just want a bit more of a bottom wick to use as a stop, because I don't want to use this previous low as a stop, and I don't want to have it in the middle of nowhere. So my only reservations is a stop loss. Alright, good. If we're making a bit of a longer bottom wick, this is good. So we have potential stop loss here. If we can flip, re-break this high, then I think we drive up. Or the 15 could create a lower high and then push back out of the Asian range. But I like these buys, man. I like this engulfing. I like this. How big is this stop now? Like 30 pips. Go on, Cody, push. Not really driving up, is it? But we do have 12 minutes left in this candle, so it's not bad that it's not just pushing straight up, but then it still has a whole 12 minutes to move. You know how gold is. Last 5 minutes it'll go crazy. It'll go crazy. The green candle wick shows this bullish spot on gold now to market open. Green candle wick shows this bullish. I'm not sure what you mean. We barely have a daily top wick. Come on, go. We're driving up. Yeah, maybe push now. Go on, push. Push. Beautiful. Go on. Off you go. Depends on what gold. Depends on gold what will happen next. Always. Always depends on gold. Go on, gold, fly. Right back to the top of the range. 4 hour close bullish. This was a nice move up, you know. This was a nice move up. Can't lie. I don't like how it's struggling though. Where did the 4 hour candle open? It opens at 46.81. 4600.81. Yeah, struggling at this 4600s. It's struggling right here. It's struggling. Psychological level. Oh my god, what are we trying to do? It's broken the high. I don't see why it doesn't continue pushing up. Except just to make a longer bottom wick for this 15-minute. Yeah, Benny likes his 15-minute time frame, but yeah, to me, I do think it's risky. I like the idea of it pushing up, but it's when I'm reading the candles, it's not doji, D-O-G-I, D-O-J-I. What you spelled there is dodgy. It is a dodgy candle. Yeah, don't like the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm chilling. I like the idea of a fake out and it pushing back up in the range, but for me the 30-minute candles are my confirmations. 15 I like for entries, but not as a confirmation. Do you know what I mean? So a 30-minute candle closing back in it sort of confirms the fake out more. But if this 15 could push up, the next 15, like this current 15-minute candle, could sell back out. So this ain't the confirmation candle for me. It's a good, it's part of the confirmation, but it's not enough. I get faked out too much on a 15, so I prefer to use it as like just a lower time frame entry, get a bit of an earlier entry, but yeah, not here. You know? That's how I like to play it, you know? Gold's making me eat. Don't let gold do that to you. Don't let gold do that. What's this? Last 5 minutes of the candle. This is where gold should start moving now. Come on. Show us where you want to go. Are we pushing? Is that what gold wants to do? Give us a little push. Alright, gold, where we going? Tell us where you want to go. Looks like gold wants to go up. One hour game, 7 aside. Oh shit, yeah, that's still active. Very active. Very active. Football's really good exercise though, for sure. Oh, getting that push. Are we getting that push? Saying 4 hours gonna close weak bullish. Do you sometimes use the 3-bar reversal candle or the doji for your entry? It does work a lot as long as there's volume. 3... No, I don't. My entries are just break the highs, candle flips, retests. Yeah. Benny, how's your trade going? You still hanging on? Still hanging on? I just restarted, gonna try again. What's up, Dobby? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? God is playing some games. The thing is, now you gotta survive the new 4-hour candle. Hopefully it wicks in your direction. Did I miss one of your messages? It said 2 buys. Oh, you're in 2 buys. This is the candle I was waiting for, the 30-minute closure back in the range. But 4 hours not even going to give me a bit of a wick to play with. It's a nice fake out right here. Retest, closure back in, sells back to the top of the range. Love it. Love it, love it. See what this 4 hour does. And look where this 4 hour closed as well, the previous 4 hour. Right on this support still. So gold is still making higher lows. Four hour continuation pattern. I peeped that. Right on this support though. Right on this support. Da, 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 da. When you got in at 45.99. Right down here, 15-minute flip. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Good luck. No, just got to survive this 4 hour bottom wick. And then if this next 4 hour candle pushes up. If this 30-minute, re-breaks this high, I think we get, we go back to the top of the range. Got a nice support formed here, nice retest, closure back in. I like it, I like it, I like it. Where did that close? Alright, so we pushed down, didn't break that 15-minute low. Candles are still trending bullish. Oh, gold is chilling. Gone. Move too slow. Should have put a buy stop in. Damn it. this thing's gone. This thing's gone. You close partials? Yeah, man. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, you're nice, you're nice. Look at that push. This was a nice push, man. I wanted to go for a manual entry and I was just too slow. What's your TP, Benny? What did I do? Da da dun dun dun. $46.15. Oh, literally Asian highs, yeah. I need to figure that out. Postman. Let's see how far this thing pushes up. I do like this 4-hour continuation pattern, but the fact that it's on the support, do, 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 do. 15-minute fair value gap at 607. This thing looks like it's gonna blast through, mate. I think this is going all the way up. Looking at the 4-hour, it doesn't look very clean, but look, man, it's created a very decent support right here on the 4-hour. I mean, I think this is pushing, retesting the highs at least. Usually Fridays, the bank takes more of traders' money. I mean, it depends on which way you're trading, right? If you're in buyers right now, you're good. Ain't taking your money. Fridays are hit and miss for me. Yeah, we definitely have. We definitely have. We definitely have. I actually wanted this closure back in the range and the push up to the top. But yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. I definitely should have been in this. Do you know what it is? I didn't want to set a buy stop. I wanted to take a manual entry, and then when it rebroke this high, it just pushed. So I didn't. I'm not going to jump in late. I'm not going to jump in late. I should just set the buy stop and let it push. Do you know what I mean? Like, I was happy with this 15-minute engulfing right here. But then I didn't want to take this 15-minute candle break at a high because the new 4-hour candle is about to open. So yeah, and I didn't want to get wicked by this 4-hour, but this was actually the move right there. This was actually the move, the fake out. And I said it, I don't want to take an entry on the 15. I'd rather wait. I like the 30-minute as a closure, so I need that 30-minute to close back in the range, and it did, and I just didn't take the buy. Ooh. Look at Nas. Nas is looking good. Jeez. I like that Nas has come into this zone right here. But it's multiple tests. Your tidy green candle was the confirmation to trade. It definitely was. This candle right here was beautiful. This candle right here was beautiful. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think so. Now, to take a trade from here, I don't mind the candle closing in the zone, but I need the candle to close back out of the zone to confirm. My only thing with this my only thing with this setup right here is we've got the market open in the next 3 5-minute candles. Very risky, because you know what happens with NAS at NYSE open. NAS goes crazy. Maybe move it before. Yeah, no, this is pushing back up right here. This is pushing back up. The tiny green candle was the confirmation of the engulfing that should have allowed you to place the trade. Tiny green candle. Which candle's tiny green here? My confirmations are my confirmations. Like, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see. Do I have the fake out? Brittany. Oh, streaming, honey. Can I move that? Where can I put this? Alright, here we go. Ba-dun, dun, dun. Right. So, when I say my confirmations are my confirmations, what happened? We closed below the range. We closed below the support right here. Sorry, my phone's ringing. We closed below the support on gold right here. You see? We closed below. Then we close back above. And then my entry is a break of the high of the candle that closed above on the 30-minute. That's my confirmation. That's what I'm looking for. Like, that's it. Do you know what I mean? I keep it simple. I keep it simple. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Boom, 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 boom. And I said that my confirmation is the 30-minute closing back in the range. I'm repeating myself now. Why did I turn my Xbox on? No, full well I ain't about to play yet. Where'd the music go? Updating, perfect. That's all I wanted to see. Right, what was your question? Hold on there, buddy. Hold on. I'm coming to you. Okay, on the picture, the small red candle before the green one is a doji candle, which allow to take buys on 15 minutes or 30-minute charts. I mean, if that's how you trade, if that's how you want to take the trade, then that's all good. But me, that's not how I wanted to take my entry, so I didn't. Literally, that's it. And especially before the new 4-hour candle was about to open. What's up, Ash? What's up? Hello, will the 4-hour wick get filled, or is that a rejection to the upside? I don't know. We don't know. We literally don't know. I can't say it's definitely gonna get filled. What I can say is, what do you see that will make price go up? What are the confirmations of price going up? So for me, that would be the 4-hour pushing up from this 4-hour support right here. If this current 4-hour candle respects its previous 4-hour low, those are my things that are leaning towards a bullish bias. That's what I'm looking for. So what can I see that's leaning more towards the bias? That would be it. The fact that we've also, on the 30-minute, we've closed back in a range, and this current 30-minute has broken a previous high. So that's, I can see gold pushing up and filling the wick. Also, but on the flip side, there is some sales bias as well. We've tapped into this little resistance on the 4-hour. We have wicked it, rejected it. Daily's bearish, and yeah, if we re-break this 4-hour low, we could fill this wick to the downside. So it depends. You can't say what's going to happen yet, but there are definitely confirmations for both buyers and sells. Looking at your chart right now, the green doji allowed those sells previously taken. This green doji here, yeah, definitely. This was nice. This was nice for the sells. I like it. For me to take these sells up here, you know, we tapped Asian highs, closed weak. Once this candle broke this low, the sells look good, but I probably wouldn't even have taken them yet. Oh man, look at that rejection. So yeah, that trade could have fetched $2,000. Hey, if you see it, then take it. If you see it, then take it. You know, Benny took it. I told you I didn't take it, but I'm not gonna FOMO into a trade. So gold came close to prior day's lows but didn't break it. Yes, it did. It came very low, like a pip, 10 pips, maybe 10 pips away, $1 away from breaking yesterday's low. And then it was right here, pushed down and then pushed up. So bounced right off this level. I don't know, man. This structure on gold, that level's been strong for the past few days. Facts. To look, that's why I drew it in. I looked at all these little 30-minute levels to the left. That's had multiple retests. So as gold started pushing down here, because this is when I started the stream with this candle pushing, I drew in these lines. I drew in these lines right here, and I said gold could come down, retest, and then push back up from one of these levels, literally. And then I did the same for the 4 hour. I looked at the strong 4 hour levels, and then gold obviously is tapped into it, 30-minute and 4 hour level. So my thoughts were, if this previous 4 hour candle had at least closed like down here, I would have wanted it to break below this 4 hour support, 45.77, 45.76, this area, to continue bearish. That's where I was leaning. I didn't like the fact that we had these two 4 hour supports right close to each other. But then we started to push back up. We tapped this level, pushed back up, 15-minute closed. It engulfed right here. It engulfed. I was thinking to take the buys up, but I said, you know what? I'm going to wait for the new 4 hour candle to open, because the 4 hour candle could have a nasty wick. And especially closing with this doji right here, like it wasn't really giving a drive up like this. Look at it. Look at this 15-minute candle compared to the last one. It was kind of just messing about. So I said, you know what? I'll wait for the 30-minute candle. And then it just pushed up and I didn't get in. That was literally this session. There was this session. But right now, I see this 4 hour support holding. And I see gold pushing back up, but not far. I see gold playing this range. But then I also see this continuation pattern to the downside. So I can imagine gold pushing down, filling this wick, this 4 hour wick, tapping this support again, and then pushing back up towards the end of the session, towards the end of the day. So like literally I was anticipating this fake out for the 30-minute buys. I just didn't take it. Let's see, continuation pattern. Let's see what we have. Yeah, my only thing with this continuation pattern is it's right on this 4 hour support, which, I mean, look, gold is held at this price for 1, 2, 3, 4 4 hour candles. 4 4 hour candles have held right here at 4,600. It's definitely a significant level. So I can see gold, like I said, giving a bit of a wick fill and then pushing back up. Damn, look at that. Nasty Naz. Before market open as well. Crazy. Oh, so gold came back down. Look at that retracement though. No top wick. Oh, Awanda's frozen. Good old Awanda, frozen again. Gold is actually at 45.99 right now. Jeez. What's going on with Awanda, man? Ever since they got taken over by FTMO, price action, the chart's been mad slow. Have you ever heard of a prop firm buying a broker? It's usually the other way around. What was I looking at? What's Nas doing? Flying? Yeah. See, that's why I wouldn't take any trades right before NYSE open. I was considering the sells, but right now, nah. Gold's price action is so nasty, man. Look, when you look at it like this, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? This is the range we're trading inside of on gold. Nasty business. Got a bullish continuation right here. Look, this is gold right now. This is it. That's it. This is what gold's doing right now. Been in this range basically since Monday. Facts. All week messing around up here. The way gold was moving, I thought it would be at 4,700 by today. Crazy range till you've been stealing pips. Yeah, man, you gotta be snatching pips. Have to be snatching pips. Have to be. No, it's good though. It's good. Like, to know that you have to be in and out. I'm gutted I missed the trade yesterday. This right here. This. I did want these buys right here. It was a nice push up. Just playing the range. Got 30-minute continuation pattern. Go on, fill the wick, break the high, keep going. This one right here. Oh man. Alright, next week we're back properly, man. This week has just been a weird week. It's been a weird week. Go and break the high, keep pushing. It's a nice ass move. Where would you get in for a move like this? For a move like this, you kind of want to take the flip on a continuation pattern. So it can be like as soon as the candle opens, or yeah, after you get a wick. You don't always get the previous candle's low being broken or higher. You don't really get a break of that previous candle. But yeah, as you can see from the picture, so all these pictures that I have, they're all drawn from things that I've actually seen on the charts that are valid patterns, continuation patterns. That's what these are based on. So I've seen all of these and I've drawn them, and they've played out multiple times. So yeah, entries, yeah, typically could be a break of the high. Like this one would be a break of the high right here. This one would be a break of the high, you know, as a top wick's being created. This one could be a break of the high, but some of them could also just be, yeah, wicks, candle flips. When the wick flips bullish or bearish, that's what he's getting. It all depends on the previous candle. So this one would be the flip, a flip entry, like right here. And why? Because we have a long wick to get filled, like a very long wick to get filled. So you wouldn't take the break of this high. It wouldn't make sense. Especially buying into this resistance, you would, yeah, take the flip. I wouldn't even take previous low, like lose entry low up to the top. But then by the time you get the wick fill, you know, you could close at a wick fill, you could close partials, like whatever. That could be your target, could just be the end there. So it depends on the previous candle for the entry and for the TP as well. So yeah, there's a few variables. But I'm telling you, study those patterns. Study these patterns. It's in the strategies tab in the Discord. You know what I mean? These patterns, they're very valid. And they work for mainly 30-minute, 1 hour, daily. Yeah, I would say daily. You can see it on a 4 hour, but more so 30-minute and 1 hour would be the best. In fact, look, the daily candles creating looks like a continuation pattern right here. Trying to find where we've had them before down here on the daily. But yeah, I still think gold pushes up towards the end of the day, to be fair. And then we get a continuation pattern on the daily, which would be, let me see, you've got a long bottom wick. It would be something like this one. What's the, not much of a top wick. Yeah, more like this one. But we had a really long bottom wick. But yeah, if this flips and then we drive up, we're gonna have a bullish continuation pattern on the daily as well. Because we had a strong bullish candle, weak bearish candle, and we haven't even broken this low, which is a very good sign for buys. I think it's just going to be a slow push up to end the day. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, come on, gold, do something. Oh, now it's coming back down. Nas is so nasty, man. I don't know how people trade this opening candle. Not how they trade it in general, this opening candle. People really like to trade this opening candle. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get pushed up, now it's just dropping. Nah. I would like a tanky bank Friday, but gold gonna do what it wants. Always the way, girl. Always the way. Gold is definitely gonna do what it wants. Just, you know, what does it want to do though? Is the question. Is the question. Get into that afterwards. A gold does like a Friday sell-off, doesn't it? It does normally like a Friday sell-off. Well, yeah, I don't know. In this range right here, the range is winning right now on golds. The range is winning. Sells from 46.12. 46.12 right here. Okay, like a little retest of this resistance. Yeah, if this resistance holds, there's 46. Yeah, and it's tapping this 4-hour resistance too. I can see it holding. And if we push down from there, we're respecting this 4-hour resistance and 30-minute resistance, and not breaking this previous 4-hour high. So yeah, no, it's a good trade idea for sure. For sure. Yeah, man. All right, we're approaching that level. We're approaching this resistance. We're close, we're close. That's that continuation pattern played out nicely. Played out very nicely. Now with gold, we still have a whole 12 minutes left for this candle right here. A whole 12 minutes left. Is gold going to keep pushing for 12 minutes? Or is it going to get to a high point and then start to drop back down? That's what I'm thinking about when there's so much time left. Woo. Let's see what the 15 is looking like. Got the last 15 of this candle right here. Is anyone in these buys? Benny said he's out. That would have hit your TP as well, Benny. Damn. Hate when that happens. Hate when that happens. I don't get FOMO from missing a trade, but I get like, I don't even get FOMO. It's like I get resentment from a trade hitting my TP without me. Do you know what I mean? That's more what pisses me off than missing a trade. When I have a target and it hits the target. It's like, oh, man. And not if I've closed and I'm out or anything like that. I feel annoyed when it hits my stop loss or it hits my break even and then continues without me. That's what's annoying. That's what's annoying. You know? But I'm always grateful if I can snatch some pips out of it. Dobby, I was in buys from 45.85, 45.92, and some at 45.96. Taking profit and all. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice, nice. There's definitely been some opportunities in this range. If you know how to play the range, you know what I mean? Left one is a risk-free runner. Oh, nice. I still think gold's going up some more, to be fair. I do. Daily doesn't have much of a top wick. Pushing up from a 4-hour support, and it's created a higher low as well, and it's a pretty strong support if like 4 candles haven't been able to close below that price. So I do like the ideas of the buys, but if we don't break this previous 4-hour high, then I can see gold having a bit of a drop. But it will start with gold holding below these Asian highs. If gold doesn't break above these Asian highs, then I think we get some sells. But if we do close above, daily flips bullish. Yeah, I think we push some more. I think we push. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, we're pushing. 8 minutes left though. 8 minutes left. New 1-hour candle. This 1-hour candle's serious. I We trying to do Goldie? Where we going? Where are you taking us? Take us somewhere. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Damn. Nah, everything's just been ranging this week, man. It's just been a week of ranging. Alright, we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. If we close back in this range, yeah, I'm just kind of over gold. Come on, gold, follow Nas. Big time, big time. I think gold does follow Nas slightly. It's like it follows behind it. It takes its time, but sometimes it does. Ah, gold is closing in this range. Lovely. Gold is calm, but Nas is taking a long, short, or sell. Yeah, Nas is having a nice little pullback. Nice little pullback. It's the 30th. Yeah, gold is playing this range. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Guys, have a good weekend. Yeah, gold might continue to range. Exactly. Yeah, have a good weekend, peoples. Thanks for joining. What have we got next week? What have we got next week? Is gold to start pushing up? Next week we have hopefully a quiet week. I think we did last time we looked. Yes. No news for gold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we have news, and Friday. That's cool. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. All right, guys, peace out. I will see you next week. Have a good weekend. Be safe out here in these markets because gold is moving a bit shitty. Good job if you took a trade today and you caught the win. Very nice, very nice. Make sure to journal it, review what you've done so you can do more of the same. That's always the plan. But yeah, have a good one. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Same time, same place. Peace.